Morning, everyone. Well, it's actually almost lunchtime. But today I'm making my signature mashed potatoes. And in these mashed potatoes, I actually boil them, and then I mash them, and then I bake them in the oven. And I add ham and mozzarella cheese. So they come out really something of a luxury. Really delicious. Today I'm going to walk you through this recipe. So what I did first was I washed and peeled my potatoes. Now what I'm doing is cutting them up in small pieces so that they boil up easily. And then when I'm done with that, I'm going to drain them and mash them. And I'll show you that step. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so as you can see, I just finished boiling my potatoes, and I've drained the water, and I'm going to mash them up with some milk and some butter and some salt, and then I'm going to show you what to do after that. Just so you can see what I'm doing, I added about 1/3 of a cup of milk and about 1/2 a stick of butter, and I'm going to keep mashing. Okay, I'm using a nice masher, but you can also use a food mill, or you can use a beater, like a hand beater, just so you get them all mashed up and whipped up good. So as you can see, they're much more mashed now. What I'm adding is some salt and some pepper, and then I'm going to layer it up into a casserole dish with some ham and mozzarella. And when I'm ready to bake them, I'm going to bake them. Okay. In this layer, I just added again a layer of potato, a couple of pieces of butter sliced thin, as you can see, it's right there, some ham, some mozzarella, and some salt and pepper. Got a little bit more potato left, so I'm going to add another layer. Okay, and this is what the top of the layered casserole, mashed potato casserole, looks like. We've got some butter, we've got some salt, we've got some cheese, and we've got some ham. In this layer, I kind of used my finger to poke the ham in on the inside a little bit. But later, when I'm ready to make dinner, I'm going to put this into a 350-degree oven, and it will cook again, twice baked, for about half an hour, 40 minutes. I'll cover it first, and then with about 10 minutes left to cook, I'll take the aluminum foil off, and I'll let it get a little brown on the top. Okay, looking forward to showing you the finished product. It's going to be delicious, I promise. Here are the amazing mashed potatoes that are done. I'm just going to scoop it in so you can see what that looks like. Really yummy and amazing. Just a ball of goodness. So really rich, really tasty, really amazing. They taste even better the next day. It's a lovely dish for a weeknight or for a special occasion. Okay, enjoy.